What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota Avalon Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom. That's done by pressing this little lever right here. And that's going to allow the key to slide out. Now, if we take a look at the tip of this key, we're going to see there's a little bit of a lip on there. And what we're going to do is take the key, and with the buttons on the Smart Key facing down like this, we're going to stick it in this little slot right here that we just pulled the key, near where we just pulled the key out of. We're going to stick it in that little slot, and then we're going to turn it like that, just like we're opening a lock. So stick it in there, make sure that lip's all the way in there, and then just rotate it. That's going to pop the shell apart. Then we can pull the back off, and now we see our battery right here. If you grab a small flathead screwdriver or something with a point on it, you can get down in this little notch right here and get under the battery, pop it out. Grab our new battery and make sure you're installing that with the plus side up. Snap it in there, snap the back on, and then replace that emergency key. That's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.